Hey everyone, and welcome to this premium note. Think of our time together today as your personal, professional mentorship session. We are going to focus entirely on transforming a standard YouTube channel into a secure, verified, and highly monetized digital asset. So I want us to shift our mindset right now. Let's move away from just being a casual content creator and start thinking like a future-ready startup founder. Because in the modern digital economy, trust is literally your currency. Today, we're going to master the exact workflows for securing that trust, growing your authority, and ultimately maximizing your digital income.
Okay, let's take a quick look at today's syllabus. We'll be diving into the verification wealth gap, the two distinct types of verification, how to secure your digital assets, strategies for reaching that massive 100K milestone, unlocking monetization, and finally, the future of creator trust.
Let's jump right into Section 1, the verification wealth gap.
I really want you to consider this question as we get started. What truly separates a fun little hobby channel from a highly scalable digital business? Well, it absolutely comes down to professional credibility. When brands, sponsors, and viewers know for a fact that you are exactly who you say you are, it completely changes the financial landscape of your channel.
To put that into perspective, just look at the direct wealth building potential here. Based on data projecting into 2026, verified creators actually command 23 to 40% higher sponsorship rates compared to unverified creators. Why is that? It's simple, really. Brands demand fraud-free partnerships. They want to invest their hard-earned marketing budgets into authentic, verified digital real estate, where the risk of AI impersonators and bots is completely eliminated.
Moving on to Section 2, two types of verification.
Okay, so this is crucial. There are two distinct tracks you have to understand, and people get this mixed up all the time. First, we have account verification. This is a basic back-end security step using your phone number that every single creator literally must take. Then, on the other hand, we have the channel verification badge. That's the prestigious public gray checkmark that proves your industry authority to the world, and you get that once you hit 100,000 subscribers. Mixing these two up is a trap, and we're definitely avoiding that today.
But before we can even think about building our growth systems, we have to talk about 2FA, or two-factor authentication. This is the absolute non-negotiable security foundation that you must implement. By requiring a second form of verification, like a text code or an authenticator app prompt, you are firmly locking down your digital storefront. And actually, as we'll see in a few minutes, YouTube literally requires this before you can earn a single dime in ad revenue.
All right, Section 3, securing your digital assets.
Think of phone verification as your very first major system upgrade. Without it, unverified channels are kind of stuck in the sandbox with basic features. But by simply verifying your phone number, you instantly unlock some serious high-retention tools. We're talking uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, live streaming, and most importantly, custom thumbnails. Listen, custom thumbnails are the absolute lifeblood of your click-through rate. You simply cannot scale a business without them.
So here's how you actually build that technical foundation. It's a super simple 4-step action plan. You just open your YouTube Studio settings, navigate over to Feature Eligibility, select Verify Phone Number, and type in the code they send you. Boom! In less than 2 minutes, you've told the algorithm that you're a real, legitimate human being, not some automated spam bot, and your digital restrictions are instantly lifted.
Let's jump into Section 4, reaching the 100K milestone. Now, to earn that coveted gray badge, your channel has to pass some pretty strict criteria. Hitting 100,000 subscribers, that gets your foot in the door, sure, but it doesn't guarantee you the badge. You have to prove to a manual review team that you are operating a complete, active, and fully compliant digital business. That means you need a professional banner, consistent uploads, and absolutely zero community strikes. You have to look and operate like an industry leader.
Once you finally hit those metrics, you're going to follow this precise workflow to submit your application. You grab your channel ID from your advanced settings, submit the form, and then you wait. Usually about 2 to 4 weeks for the manual review. And hey, I have a massive pro tip for you right here. Once you actually get this badge, do not change your channel name. Seriously, changing your name will completely revoke this hard-earned status, and you will have to start the entire application process from scratch. That brings us to Section 5, unlocking monetization and growth. So, this is the exact architecture of the YouTube Partner Program as we look toward 2026. Yes, you need 1,000 subscribers and either 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views.
But look really closely at those other requirements. You must have an active AdSense account, 0 community strikes, and active two-factor authentication. This perfectly reinforces why setting up that 2FA security earlier was a mandatory prerequisite. If you don't secure the account, you don't unlock the ad revenue. It's that simple.
Also, notice the strategic difference between these two major milestones. YouTube now offers a 500 subscriber early access tier. Now, this doesn't give you ad money directly, but it does unlock fan funding, super chats, and YouTube shopping. It is a fantastic way to start generating early cash flow as a startup creator. But of course, the full 1,000 subscriber threshold is your ultimate goal, because that's the switch that turns on automated passive ad income and YouTube Premium revenue sharing.
Now, are there any musicians in our session today? Because the official artist channel is a totally distinct path just for you. This specialized verification organizes your entire digital footprint, automatically grouping your music into a clean, professional discography. And what's really fascinating about this is that it doesn't actually rely on that strict 100K subscriber minimum. As long as you have at least one official release through a YouTube-approved distributor, you can claim this specific musical authority badge.
Finally, we're at Section 6, the future of creator trust.
Listen, as AI automation and hyper-realistic deepfakes continue to flood the internet, proving that you are a real, actual human is going to become the most valuable currency online. This isn't sci-fi anymore. Emerging tech like biometric verification and blockchain authentication are rapidly moving from the fringes right into the global standard. Verification is completely evolving. It's no longer just a nice-to-have status symbol, it is becoming an absolute core business requirement to protect your digital real estate from automated fraud. This quote we have here really just hits the nail on the head and perfectly summarizes our note today. Verification is no longer a vanity metric used just to boost your ego. It is the foundational asset of your professional reputation. Think of it as the ultimate digital handshake. It tells sponsors, it tells the algorithm, and it tells your audience that your business is legitimate, it's secure, and it is ready to scale. So I'm going to leave you with this final thought, and it's a bit of a challenge. Don't just sit here and consume this information. Go out and implement it. Turn on 2FA today. Complete your phone verification right now. Optimize your channels so that when you finally hit that 100K milestone, your badge application is instantly approved. You literally have the blueprint in front of you. The only question left is, are you ready to build your digital future?